Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I would like to share with you all one of my favorite recipes, that is chicken gravy. For making this delicious chicken gravy, let's begin by adding 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a heating pan. You can add in any oil as per your wish. Add in the whole spices. Let them sprinkle a bit. Now add the onion and green chili paste. I've taken 3 medium-sized onions and 2 green chilies and blended them in a mixer. Saute until it's golden brown. Make sure you use onion and green chili paste for this gravy, as it gives a nice consistency. Once they turn golden brown, add in the ginger garlic paste. I've added 2 tablespoons of it. Saute until its raw smell disappears. Make sure you cook it on a medium flame. Once that's done, add in salt as per your taste. I've taken 1 teaspoon of salt. Add in the chicken pieces. I've thoroughly washed the chicken with turmeric and vinegar. Mix everything well and make sure it's all evenly coated, and let it cook on a medium flame for about 5 minutes. It would take around 5 to 10 minutes until it's semi-cooked. As you can see, it's semi-cooked. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I prefer it less spicy, so I've added 1 teaspoon of it. If you like it more spicy, then add in more. Once you evenly coat the mixture with the chicken, let it cook on a medium flame for about 10 minutes. As you can see, after 10 minutes, the gravy would look like this. Add in the curd. I've taken 1 cup of curd here. Make sure you set the flame on the lowest setting. Do not cook on a high flame, as it would lead to the formation of lumps. Scrape the mixture if it's getting stick to the pan. Mix everything well and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Do not add water at this point. After 5 minutes, the gravy will look like this. Now you can add in water. I've added half a cup of water. Please do not add too much water at once. Check your right consistency and then add water. Check for salt as well. Let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the oil has beautifully separated. The chicken also looks almost done. Check for it. It looks perfect to me. Now at this point, I would cook for about 5 more minutes on lowest setting. Stir it once. Now add in the garam masala and kasuri methi. I've taken 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Make sure you mix everything well and let it cook on a low flame for 2 minutes. Before that, you can add, optionally, I've added green chilies to this. It gives a nice flavor to the gravy. Now you can just close the lid and turn off the flame. In 2 minutes, your gravy will be done. As you can see, the gravy is done. It looks delicious and beautiful with all the nice colors. Try it and let me know. Thank you.